Today we are going to make an envelope out of a piece of newspaper. So the first thing that I am going to do is cut my paper in half by putting my finger on the crease. Then I'm going to look at both sides and choose the side that I think is prettier, and it's definitely this side with the cartoon stuff on it. Then I'm going to fold my paper in half. Then I'm going to take my letter, which I have right here. It's going to be a little surprise to my son. It's a picture that I drew on Friday in a class with Silas and Jazzy, and it's of a samurai. So, and it says, "Dear Maliki, I love you, Mommy." So I'm folding it in half. I'm going to put it right in the middle and then fold these sides in using my letter as the measurement. So show you like that. Then I am going to dog ear the corners, which means folding it. Wait, did I fold this in? Oh, I see. Folding it in a right angle, and they'll pop out until like that. And then I'm going to flip it around and do the same for all four corners. 1 and 4. Okay, so it looks like that. Then I am going to fold up the bottom. So about, this should be flatter there. You will need a little bit of tape for this. So what I'm going to do now is tape the sides. 2 pieces of tape. And I am going to vertically tape the edge. Now I'm going to vertically tape the other edge. Okay, and now the top part, get those dog ears back, will come down like so. And I'm glad I chose this because it looks pretty good. Actually, I went a little low. I'm going to bring it up a bit. Yes, that looks like a real envelope, as you can see, and there's my letter inside. So I'm going to fold it down. And I have one of my famous, or maybe not so famous, unicorn stickers. I think it fell on the floor. Where did it go? Oh, here they are. So I'm going to use one of these fancy stickers. Some of you have been awarded the golden unicorn in class. And I'm going to use it as a seal. I think that looks very fancy. But just to be sure, I am also going to add a little bit more tape. 1, 2. Now, this front part is actually where you're going to write the address of the recipient. So I am going to use a little white label, put it in the middle, and the stamp goes in the upper right-hand corner. I'm actually going to put, to make sure this is all going in the right direction, because I'm looking at you and I'm getting confused. And so here I would write my address, because I'm sending it to my son, and my return address would go here. And that is how you make an envelope. I'm going to put one more little piece of tape on the unicorn and seal it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to try it and pause it as you need to.